Yes, we're back in the market. This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. How was your weekend? I hope you have a very successful weekend and you rest a little bit from the trading. But now we're back on, and we're going to talk again about the gold contract today. And why not? We can see that the gold contract is still going up in a very beautiful way. Nothing is stopping it right now. And we can see how the gold makes a slow progress, but still going up. Well, so we are now looking on the day interval. We can see clearly that there's no pattern of weakness of the buyers. We're still going up with the trend. Obviously, if you're a swing trader, you're going to take the long position. You're going to wait for the position to basically come over right back over here and take a long position. We're going to make a couple of positions today just to make sure that we have a couple of chances within the days as a day trader to see where can you seize the opportunity. So within the 4 hours interval, I marked the pool over here where basically the major demand over here and a minor supply over here, which you can see a little bit better within the 1 hour chart. And we can see how clearly the drop base pattern is being implemented over here. We have drop, base, drop, base, etc. And we can, as always, we can see that when this pattern is happening, so basically what happened is creating a new supply areas, a minor supply areas. We have one over here, we have additional over here on the top, and we have another one going on the top as well right here. Of course, we want to see the prices change, how basically the price behaves when it gets in those areas. Obviously, over here within the day with a 1 hour chart, we can already shorted it. From here we can see how the price behaves, landed on the demand area, reverse, get to the minor supply area, start the reverse again, make a first check and possibly now a second check. So if I'm trading the 1 hour chart, I will short position it right here. I'm going to put the limit command right there, and we can see how much we can gain and how much we're going to risk. So basically I'm going to take this position right here from the lower part of the pool. The stop loss above over here, basically risking $880 and stretch it, take profit at least at the upper part of the pool, making a gain of $2,600. $2,600. This is going to be a very nice position to have. This is my first idea. The second idea, obviously, if I don't want to go against the trend, which is very smart, if I want to wait for the position to basically to take a long position, because it's still an uptrend, my second command will be a buy order. On the limit command, I'm going to execute it right here on the top, and then it will send me the part of the pool. Test it in this area, at least over here, the first minor supply area, and basically risking $1,000 and they create $3,700. So it's basically a very nice ratio. Of course, within the day we can within the day have multiple opportunities. Just as this is again as a disclaimer, this is just our trending ideas. This is not substitution for financial advice. You should always consult with your financial advisor. We want to tell you another news that, God willing, this upcoming Thursday we have a webinar coming up, a 100-seater webinar. If you're a new trader, if you're an existing trader that just want to improve his skill, I'm going to get 1 hour of teaching on my methodologies, our methodologies, Vessel Futures Trading. If you are interested in learning, explore how to trade futures, if you want to get to financial freedom, if you want to just enrich your tool of trading, this is a major opportunity. I'm going to attach a link to this video. You can see it on the description side. You have a registration form. Of course, the registration is for free. As always, guys, if you like this channel and the content, always I'm welcoming you to share with your friends, like, subscribe. We would like to see this community grow. God willing, we're going to move everybody to the Discord channel for daily sessions. So of course, I'm encouraging you all to be attached and be tuned to our social media platform, either in this Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I'm going to attach the links to those social medias channels as well right here in the description. Meanwhile, I want to wish you successful day, happy trading. Be tuned to the news. Be careful with the contract. Remember that we already rolled contracts last week, so if you didn't roll the contract, this is the time to do so. Make sure that you are trading on the right contract, and as always, I wish you successful trading. Have a beautiful day.